Hey there, in this video we are going to create and host your portfolio websites using some free online tools and using ChatGPT. So let's begin. So this is our end product. It should look something like this when we are done with this. So it will have an image, your projects and icons and everything. Also, you will have a unique link which you can share with everyone and share your portfolio. So first of all, we need somewhere to host the image. So there is one website known as postimages.org. You can go there. You can choose your image and you can upload it. Once image is uploaded, you will get all the URLs for that image. We just need a direct link. It will directly open your image. Okay, once you have uploaded the image and you have received your link, then I have created a prompt. Let me open that. So this is the prompt which I've written. So its objective is like to create a portfolio website for me. I have written things specific for me. You can make changes accordingly as per your requirement. Let's say if you have worked on any other technology or anything, you can mention all those things. And here in profile image, you have to give the profile link which we got from the other website where we uploaded our profile pic. Okay. So once this is done, you have to open this, copy the prompt, and go to ChatGPT. Just paste it here. Once it's pasted, it will take some time and it will create a HTML website for you. Meanwhile, let's create a file and so let's delete this and we will create a new index.html. You can use any text editor. Once it's done and let's see, it has created everything. Yeah, everything is created. You have to copy this and paste it. Okay, once it's pasted, you can run it. I will run it using live server. See, our website is looking something like this. It will give different things for different people, and you can you can ask it to elaborate or something. It will elaborate for you. Okay, once your HTML file is created, then again you have to go to another free tool. It's like Tiny Host. You have to sign up here. It will take just your Google login and you will be able to sign up, and you can host one free project here. Okay, let me delete the old one, and then you have to click on upload file. I think you can drag and drop. Sometimes it doesn't work. Let me try it. Right now it's not working. Let's upload it directly and upload it. It will take just a seconds to upload and click on publish. And see, if we open this link, my portfolio website is live. You can make modification to the prompt and you can get a different result or different website from the ChatGPT. Or if you need something specific, you can ask that, and you can also include that in portfolio. So this is a simple one. You can add many things in that. So I hope you learned something new. You learned how to host your websites. If you're following this video and hosting your portfolios, please comment your links for your portfolios below in the comment section, and I will go through them. Also, I will leave the prompt in the description of this video. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can hit that like button. If you have any suggestions, you can comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.